I feel it coming, I feel it taking control.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a extreme refrigerator deep clean organization and just getting things out of this refrigerator that needs to be cleaned. This is kind of like my little fall clean. It is time to kind of go through some things in the house and start getting things organized. We are in the fall routine, and so there is a lot of movement, a lot of activity. Back to school, lunches are being made every single day. So I just need a functional refrigerator that is going to work for our household, and it was really time to do a big deep clean. So join with me as I go through my refrigerator and start organizing everything, taking things out, throwing things away, cleaning, and just getting it situated for us. So if this is something that you want to watch and see how I declutter and just organize my refrigerator with what I have, definitely stay tuned to this video and, just see how I get that all done. I hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching.
You don't know of, but these are long days, and even though you can tell, there's something I can't get over. I know I'm better off living without your love.
So in this video, I'm going to be taking everything out of the refrigerator and just cleaning it, organizing it, and just kind of making all of the items a little bit more functional. Again, I'm using what I have. A few items that I had in the refrigerator, I'm just going to reorganize it. But as you can tell, there was so much that I needed to clean out of this refrigerator. And I also just wanted to let you all know that I'm going to just kind of let the music play in this video and just kind of let it just kind of groove and just kind of be a little bit more of that fall essence and music. And I'm just hoping that you all enjoy it. Sometimes when I watch other YouTubers and I'm doing a Sunday clean or a weekly clean, I kind of just want to listen to the music. So I'm just going to let this video kind of be just all about kind of just listening to the music and just enjoying your space, enjoying what you're doing. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Definitely give it a like if you like it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, y'all, enjoy.
Losing control was a part of that thrill. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you. A part of me still wants you.
I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger. As long as we had each other, everything was black and white. When we were younger.
The one that you've been dreaming of, with dirt underneath my fingernails and worn out shoes. I never thought that I would fall for someone like you, and up
without a single care in the whole wide world. But I don't wanna run away from you, 'cause baby I am done hiding my love for you. So please won't you run away with me, 'cause you can't control who you fall for. No. When the world is asleep and we can meet, a secret life that we share